Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Ironman Forex TV, where all your online Forex trading questions are answered instantly. Pay maximum attention and view the whole video.
How are you, traders? Trading is always after firefighting. Firefighting after firefighting. You can see now, $30 gone. These trades, they destroyed me. But I'm sure that I'm going to revenge. And all my money plus profit will be there. I will show you. So far, I'm in this trade $304 profit. Now, meaning to say, if I close this, I'm going to $34. But by the end of the day, all these losses will be covered. I'm not going to leave this because this 300 took much of my money, and then the same 300 will bring back that money. Because I was of the hope that seeing this thing dropped all the way from this side, so we are going to have a resistance point at this level. So I will wait for it to come here, or I will just place a buy limit there. Then it is going back, giving me more money. But so far as it is going down, I want to milk it on this sell until I get what I want. I want again this V151S to show me the direction, and then I'm going to milk this thing. Because so far, as you can see, we have this candlestick, this red candlestick. It is showing a bearish mode. So I'm expecting it to come down to this level. So I'm waiting for it because I'm confused with this candlestick, which is showing a bearish mode. As you can see it, the hammer is at the top. So I want to wait for the next movement, the next candlestick. If this closes at this point, this is bearish. So if I have another bearish candlestick, it then means that we are going down, and I'm going to place a trade with $5 lot size so that I can compensate my money in time. They don't know me. I am the Iron Man. I can destroy the market. So let me wait for it. This one, I think it is just the rightful time for me to close it. And then I can reduce the loss to $33 as I'm waiting for this one. Let me wait for it. You can see that we have these types of candlesticks. This one, we also have this one, and so far the board is at the top. So we want to make sure that we can enter at the rightful time. So you can compare the charts and you can see which is which. This is going up, but I don't want to play with it. I want this one. I'm waiting for 300. I want to show it direction. It is supposed to give me back my money. This is the game of trading. I just showed you the red side of trading, because many people, they just show you the blue side. So far I'm showing you the red side of trading. So what is important is for you to keep the capital. So this capital will help me to bring back this $33. Yes, I'm sure that it will bring back $33. And I'm going to destroy this V100 at this point. If it reaches 1596, then it is good to go. It will bounce back. And all this will be my profit. This will be my profit. I'm going to destroy it. So I'm waiting for it to reach this level. Then I will destroy it. I know I will surely destroy this. This buy trade will help me to destroy this 300. It is almost the time. You can see at this region, it was sailing through easily in these areas. But at this spot, there is greater resistance at this spot. So the resistance will allow us to go up. And then we are going to harvest more. This is it, guys. Do you have tariff account? If the answer is no, then go to the description section below this video. Simply click more and then click the link to open or create or to register your account. Then you are good to go. You start trading even during weekends, like what I'm doing now. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Good time. Goodbye.